Hello everyone, myself Aparna Gohad. Today we will see levels of abstraction. Data abstraction refers to the process of hiding irrelevant details from the user. We hide the unnecessary data from the user, and this process of hiding unwanted data is called as data abstraction. There are three levels of abstraction. First is physical level, second is conceptual level, third is view level. Let us see levels of abstraction in detail. At the bottom, there is a database which is responsible for managing and maintaining different types of data. First is physical level. This is also called as internal schema. It describes how the data is actually stored on hard disk. At this level, complex low-level data structure are described in detail. This level tells us that where the data is actually stored, the database administrator decides how the data is to be stored, where it has to be stored. This is lowest level of abstraction. Second is conceptual level. It is also called as logical schema. It describes what data is stored and what is the relationship exist among those data. This level describes entire database in terms of small simple structure. Actual complexity of physical schema gets hidden at this level. For example, if there is a student database, so in a student table, the actual data of the student, such as name, age, email ID, etc., can be stored. Then, third is view level. It is also called as external schema. This is the highest level of abstraction. It describes only the part of entire database. Data can be customized at this level. If you see, there is one physical level, then there is one conceptual level, but there can be multiple views for multiple users. We'll see one example of Google Classroom where I have one user as teacher and I have a second user as a student. Now, if you see this two users, so these are two views, that is, there are multiple views for a one database. The student can see the classmates as the part of this Google Classroom, and teacher can see these students. Even teacher has facility of adding the students, as well as teacher can see the grades of the student. So this is like there are multiple views for a one database. And one more important thing over here is the users don't have to bother what data is stored or where it has stored. This is called as levels of abstraction. The user is just able to view the data. I hope you have understood this concept very well. Thank you.